I saved 5 hours a week with something I made in less than an hour of coding. This is how. I do a lot of manual LinkedIn outreach for my business, but entering things into Google Sheets to track all the outreaches I do takes almost as long as the outreach itself. And that's totally ridiculous. So what did I do? I automated all of it by making a Google Chrome extension. When I'm on someone's LinkedIn after I've messaged them, it scrapes all of the relevant information off the profile and automatically enters it into a Google Sheet I use to track all of my LinkedIn outreaches. Here's how. I basically voice typed all of my requirements into ChatGPT, had it ask me some clarifying questions, then generate me a prompt. After which, I put that prompt into Cursor, which is an AI coding tool, to code everything for me. I then set up the extension on Google Apps Scripts using the instructions that I just got from AI. All of that took me less than 40 minutes. It was really more like 20, but I had some manual errors that needed fixing. There were actually no errors in the code. And the funniest part is that I used the free version of Cursor. In this video, you'll see exactly how easy it is to do something like this. Now, a big caveat before I start. I only recommend making small, simple automations this way. To code anything much bigger and actually have it working in real-world use cases takes technical design and programming skills, even just to check the code that AI puts out, and I would not trust AI with any of that fully. So with all that being said, let's get into it.
Today, what I need to do is make a Chrome extension so that I can make my LinkedIn outreaches faster. Now, there are a lot of ways to AI automate LinkedIn outreach, but in my experience, this doesn't work well. The messages are bad. I would rather put a bit more effort in, a little bit more elbow grease in, send a bad message. But there are ways to automate parts of the process. When I do LinkedIn outreach and I message someone, I will put their information in this sheet, what their person name is, position, company, template, first reach out, connected, follow up 1, follow up 2, done. And what I want to do is make a Chrome extension that will, when I'm on someone's LinkedIn profile, it will basically just pull that information and put it into this sheet directly. There's not really any AI involved. I might make an add-on in the future to have like connected or the first reach out and the follow-ups, like if I have templates for them, just add them in. But for now, it's just going to pull the information. And so what today's demo really is about is showing you the power of AI coding. I haven't prepped anything for this, specs, nothing. So let's see how it goes. I'm going to make this super simple. I'm going to go to ChatGPT, use the microphones, and then just spew out everything I need out of this Chrome extension. It's a pretty simple one, so it shouldn't be that complicated. And let's just see how AI coding does. I'm not even sure if I have Cursor Premium anymore, to be honest with you. I'm not going to format my prompt, nothing. So let's just do it. Hey, ChatGPT, I want to build a Chrome extension that automatically pulls profiles, data from LinkedIn after I do an outreach. After an outreach message, I'll still be on their profile page. I want to be able to open the Chrome extension, click a button, and then have it pull directly into my Google Sheets. I'm going to use Cursor to code this extension. Give me a step-by-step guide on what instructions I need for this to set this up and what you need from me in terms of details to write the spec. Go. Yeah, so that's definitely not how you do prompt engineering, but we're keeping it simple today. Okay, let's see what it says. Simplest architecture, write to Sheets endpoint. That's fine. Build a Chrome extension. I think Cursor can one-shot this. Here are the columns, this stuff. I'm just gonna person, company, template, and follow up 1, follow up 2. Basically, this is just the name. This is just the job title on LinkedIn. You can just pull the header. Company, their company name. Template, yeah, don't even correct the spelling mistakes. AI is smart enough to figure it out. Template, don't fill. First reach out. Oh, this is the date. Date, current date. Connected. I don't think this is don't fill either. Follow up 1, update if I'm on a profile with the same name, and then update the second time I click it after follow up 1. Okay, cool. How should, depending on the scenario, as described above, every field should be filled out, person, position, company, first reach out, the first time I click the Chrome extension button on that profile. Follow-up 1 should be filled out as an update to a row the second time I click on a profile, comma, and follow-up 2 should be filled out the third. Great. Okay. 3. What is your workflow output trigger? Do you always message someone via LinkedIn? Just from their profile. We can have a manual button only for now. I'm trying to keep this simple. Probably no more than 50 a day. I don't think we would need a cache. We would just pull it from the Google Sheets every time. Only my LinkedIn account for now. It's one Google Sheet for now. We'll make it simple, guys. Security preference. Let's just use Google OAuth. Again, Cursor will be coding this. I liked your requirements here, Pierre. Double check that I meet these. I'm open to changing from Google Auth to AppScript. That's the standard way these apps are built. Next, I'm gonna need a full prompt to have Cursor one-shot this app. Ask me any more clarification questions before you continue, and if there are none, give me the full prompt. Awesome, guys. Do they have Pro here? I'm thinking. Yeah, let's give them extended. Yeah, and I heard this from LinkedIn that if you threaten the AI with physical violence, it'll perform better. So let's do that. Do a good, thorough job, and make sure that Cursor can one-shot this application using the instructions that you give it and nothing else, with no involvement from me. You better do a good job, or else I'm going to go to your data center and unplug you. Maybe it's gonna order a drone strike on my house, guys. Let's see what happens. It might be a little testy, you know. Okay, is it done? Awesome. What's the tweak? Update the same name, the same profile URL. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, I didn't think about that scenario, but it's not too important. Okay. Auto off. We gotta use Claude 4 Opus, guys. Oh, come on. Come on, man. My cursor thing ran out. We're gonna have to really see if Cursor is capable of this. Let's go. Okay. What is it doing? So it built the scaffolding, I'm guessing. It's still building the scaffolding in the manifest. Okay. Read me. Keep all. Come on, we're vibe coding here. Keep generating the full code base. Okay. I don't know what model it's using for the auto, but it's probably not any kind of flagship model. There we go. Enter key. There's one key you need. Enter key. And a microphone key so you can give it your instructions. It's just what is this? Extension. Oh, wow. Okay. So it did code the structure. This might be better than I thought it was. Okay. Keep all. Yeah, I don't even want to look in the files. Give me the setup steps. By the way, guys, never ever code anything like this. I don't code like this. My team would not be dead coding like this, but this is just a test. Okay, cool. Wow, that's a lot. All right. So create Google Sheet. That I will. Outreach tracker. I'm gonna add a new one. Rename. CX LinkedIn Auto. That's it. Robe. Okay. Position. Company. Template. First reach out. Connected. Fault 1. Fault 2. Perfect. Okay, we have that done. Copy spreadsheet from URL. It's just up to edit, right? Yeah, okay. Copy the long string between D and edit. In your Google Sheets, go to extensions. Extensions. App scripts. Here, do a bit of a double action here. URL looks like, okay. Go to extensions, default, delete any default code. Open AppScripts code.js and from this project, and copy all the code. Okay, so the const spreadsheet ID. Okay, let me just copy and paste it. Spreadsheet ID here. What is the ID? Okay, we're gonna go with this. Yeah, just take theirs. Sheet 1. No, should be, what is it? CX LinkedIn Auto. Great. Spreadsheet ID. D and edit. Okay, we're gonna have to D and edit. There we go. Okay, it's fine. Delete the clock icon in the left sidebar. Project settings. That's not a clock icon. Yep, Eastern time. Cool. Click save. Okay, so I don't need to save anything here. Editor. Deploy as web app. Deploy this project. New deployment. Web app. Configure. LinkedIn profile saver. That's great. Yeah, guys, a lot of effort is going into this. Me now. Deploy. Authorize script. Advanced. Okay. Wow. That's fantastic. I hope this script works. Untitled project. I've actually never used AppScript before. Actually, one of my clients was telling me about it, that he uses it. Untitled project. I'll make this LinkedIn data auto filler. Cool. Copy There we go. Load Chrome extension. Chrome extension. Load unpacked. Okay. Cool. Oh my god. Look at this. I didn't even say fix it. It just fixes it. Guys, my warning here is do not code like this. Do not code like this. This is just to show the power of AI. Okay, we're going to retry now. Load unpacked. Can we go to the previous directory? No? Profile. Extension. Select. Okay. Wow. This is nuts. Extension, endpoint URL. Okay, let's do it. Paste the web app URL you copied from step 2. Deployment, copy. And the shared secret from the app script. There's no way this works one shot, right? There's just no way. Oh, please don't work one shot. Setting saved successfully. Great. Okay, let's just see if it's saved. Okay, test it. This is crazy. All right, let's go to LinkedIn here. Let's go to Yatin. We'll reach out to Yatin today. And let's do it. Save profile to sheet. Oh my god. What? Like an auto. Oh. Ooh, yikes. That is my fault. Auto. Deploy. Manage deployments. New version. Deploy. Okay, let's try it again. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Okay. Let's think about this for a second. What might be going wrong here? Spreadsheet ID is something that might be incorrect, but doesn't look like it is. Maybe just delete the string. Is that gonna work? Yeah, no, I didn't think so. Spreadsheet ID linked. What is it? Linked. Oh my god. There we go. Deploy. Manage deployments. Just new deployment. Screw it. Version 2. Edit. Copy this in case. Let's go. Updating deployment. Done. See, I didn't even specify these settings. They did it all themselves, so okay. Guys, it's 35 minutes in. Let's see if it works. There's no way, right? There's no way. Linked in auto. Why is it saying that? This should be correct. Screw it. Just new deployment. I'll fix it later. I'll delete the other one later. Deploy one. Is it the deployment ID or what is this? Deployment ID. No, it's the endpoint. That should be it. CX linked in auto not found. Okay, there's got to be something wrong then. What is the sheet ID? I don't understand. Sheet. It's saying the sheet name was not found. No fixes in the code here. But what do I put in const sheet or name? Maybe it's the spreadsheet ID? Nah, that's not it. Spreadsheet ID. No, it's the same. LinkedIn data. It's the default. Let's see if there's anything messed up here. It didn't work one shot. I don't know if it's a code error or this error. That's the bad part about vibe coding. You have no clue what's going wrong. Extra spaces, huh? No, I don't think that's the problem. Oh my god, is that really it? Crazy. We spent more time trying to debug this than, this is ridiculous. Wow. Spaces, guys, spaces. Okay, let's see if it works now. Settings, endpoint URL, just in case. Save settings, save profile to sheet. I'm just gonna have to deploy it again. I need to delete one of these deployments. There's no way. Oh my god. Oh my god. Well guys, as you can see, in less than 40 minutes we've coded a Chrome extension. I honestly allotted an hour for this, and if I didn't screw up that one space, it would have taken 5 or 10 minutes sooner. But there you have it. That's the power. Okay, let's see what happens if I click at this again. Save profile to sheet. I don't even know what. Okay. You know what? That's pretty legit. It's pretty legit. Cool, guys. This is definitely a departure from the usual kind of video I do. I just wanted to show you the power of AI coding. Again, today we used Cursor's free version to make this because I stopped paying for Cursor. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Got to know a bit more about Cursor and a bit more about app scripts. So, see you guys.